Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, welcome to NAVS Home School. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to conduct a math class of class nursery. This is the fourth class of annual examination, and our today's topic is missing numbers. It means that some numbers are given and some gaps are also given. We have to write the numbers in the gaps. This type of problems are known as missing numbers. Dear students, let us start. Our today's topic is missing number part 1. In this part, I have written some numbers 51, 52, 54, 57, 59, and here are some gaps. Here is a gap, here are two gaps, here is another gap, and here is a gap. Here is a number 71, here is a gap, 73, here are two gaps, here is a number 76, here are two gaps, then here is another number 79, and last number is 80. Dear students, missing number means you have to write some numbers in these gaps. You have to write the numbers in these gaps. The gaps are given. Fill up this gap by writing numbers. Okay, to fill up the gap, at first you have to know how can you fill up this gap. Dear students, in half yearly examination you have learned the numbers 1 up to 50, 1 up to 50, and in this term in the previous class you have learned numbers 50 to 100. 50 to 100. Here if you observe, I am writing some numbers here, observe this: 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. I have written from 11 to 20. I have written 10 numbers here. The students, if you observe here, in the first 9 numbers, 10th place is 1, 10th place is same, and the 10th number, 10th place is the next digit 2. And if you observe, every time one's place is changing, one's place is changing. In first one, one's place is 1, in second one, one's place is 2, in the third one, one's place or the last digit is 3, and then 4. After 4 you will get 5, after 5 you will get 6, after 6 you will get 7, after 7 you will get 8, after 8 you will get 9. When you will get 9, then you have to remember that next number should be, after 9 you will get 0 in one's place in the last digit, and your 10th place will be changed. 10th place will be next digit. Here is 1, so next digit is 2. The students, if you observe this, and then you can fill up this gap easily. Where is the first number is 51. Here first number is 11. After 51 here is 52. Here is 12. And after 12 here is 3, one's place is 3. So after 52 you can write 53. So here the missing number is 53, and after 53 here is 54. Observe here, here is 14, and then here is 15. After 14 here is 15. So after 45, this 4 will be 5, it means that this will be 55. So the missing number here will be 55. After 54 we can write 55. Then after 55 here is also another missing number. If you observe, after 15 here is 16, one's place is 6 here. So after 55 we can write here 56. So here the missing number is 56. Then after 56 here is 57 given. Observe here, here is 17 after 16. After 16 here is 17, and after 56 here is 57. Now after 7 here is 18, after 17 here is 18. So one's place is 8, so after 57 we will get 58. So our missing number is 58 here, and then the next number is 59 given. So we can write the next number now after 59, the missing number after 59, as here is 9, so here one's place will be 0. After 9 we have to write 0 in one's place, and then tens place will be changed, will be the next digit, so this will be 6. So after 5 the tens place will be 6, as here is 9, after 9 we will get 0 here. So our missing number is 60. Our missing number is 60. Dear students, I hope you have understood these missing numbers. You have understood these missing numbers. Then come to the next question. Here are some numbers given and some gaps are given. We have to write the missing numbers here. 71 is the first number given. After 71 we will get 72. So 72 is the missing number here. And after 72 here is 73 given. So after 73 our missing number, after 73 the number is, next number after 73 is 74. So this is our missing number here, and after 74 we know the number 75. So this is also the missing number here, 75. And after 75 the number is 76, this is given. After 76 next number is 77. So we can write 77 is also another missing number. After 77 we know the number 78. So 78 is the missing number here, 78, the next missing number. After 78 the next number is 79 given and 80 given. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Do this as your homework. Do this at home as your homework in your assigned homework copy, and keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.